Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log out of Paybis Wallet app on your mobile device. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To log out of your Paybis Wallet app, from the main home page of Paybis Wallet, tap on the hamburger menu at the top right hand corner. On the next page, you'll be able to see a log out button at the very bottom. Give it a tap and you'll be able to log out of your Paybis Wallet app right away on your mobile device. To log in back again to your Paybis Wallet, you'll need to tap on the hamburger menu at the top right and tap the login button. Enter your email address and sign in with a verification code, or you can also choose with password option and type in your email along with your password to log in. That was how you can easily log out of Paybis Wallet. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.